Welcome back to Auto Buzz TV, the place where innovation meets adventure on wheels. If you're passionate about compact living, creative vehicle designs, and the freedom to travel with comfort, you're in for a real treat today. We're taking a closer look at something small but mighty, the mini RV camper Tricycle. This is more than just a ride, it's a lifestyle statement that combines the convenience of a tricycle with the practicality of a camper, all packed into a compact and stylish form. Picture this, you're pedaling or cruising down a scenic path on a three-wheeled tricycle, but instead of just a basic frame, you've got a mini camper built right onto the back. That's the magic of the mini RV camper Tricycle. It's designed for those who want to explore, relax, and live simply without the need for a massive RV or complicated setup. Small, efficient, and full of character, this camper trike is built to make adventure more accessible and fun. The first thing that makes the mini RV camper Tricycle stand out is its size. Unlike traditional RVs that can feel intimidating to drive or park, this tricycle is compact and incredibly maneuverable. It can glide through narrow streets, fit into smaller parking spaces, and travel where larger vehicles simply can't go. Perfect for solo travelers, couples, or anyone who loves spontaneous trips, it allows you to carry your own cozy little home wherever you ride. Now let's dive into what this mini camper actually offers. At the rear of the Tricycle, you'll find a cleverly designed cabin. It may be small, but every inch is used smartly. Inside, you've got a sleeping area that folds out to maximize comfort while still saving space during the ride. Some setups even feature convertible sections that can act as a mini dining area or workspace. Imagine taking a break from your journey, unfolding the interior, and enjoying a meal or jotting down your travel notes inside your personal little haven. Storage is another thoughtful touch. Built-in compartments allow you to keep essentials like clothing, food, or outdoor gear neatly organized. For those who like cooking on the go, certain versions of the mini RV camper Tricycle even come with a portable kitchenette setup. This way, you can enjoy a quick snack, brew your favorite coffee, or whip up a meal while parked by a lake, in the forest, or even in your own driveway during a staycation. One of the most impressive aspects of this tricycle camper is how eco-friendly it is. Unlike big RVs that run on fuel and demand high maintenance, the mini RV camper Tricycle is often equipped with pedal assist or electric power options. This gives you the freedom to travel longer distances without draining your energy, while also keeping your environmental footprint much smaller. It's sustainable, cost-effective, and perfect for those who care about green travel. But let's not forget the style factor. Mini RV camper Tricycles often come in playful, modern designs that instantly turn heads wherever you park them. Their compact size makes them approachable, and their unique look sparks curiosity. People can't help but stop and ask questions when they see one. It's not just a camper, it's a conversation starter. For those who enjoy sharing their adventures online, this is the kind of vehicle that makes your photos and stories stand out. Maintenance is also a breeze compared to larger RVs. No complicated engines or heavy-duty repairs here. The Tricycle base is easy to manage, and the camper unit is lightweight yet durable. This makes it an ideal choice for people who want freedom on the road without the stress or expense of traditional RV upkeep. Whether you're new to camper life or already an enthusiast, the mini design makes it easy to start exploring right away. The true beauty of the mini RV camper Tricycle lies in the experience it offers. It encourages you to slow down, enjoy the journey, and make the most out of simple moments. Imagine waking up in your cozy cabin, stepping out to breathe in fresh morning air, and sipping your coffee as the sun rises over a peaceful landscape. Or picture yourself cycling along coastal roads, stopping whenever you like, knowing that your little camper is always with you. It's freedom in the purest form, wrapped in a compact, playful design. For urban explorers, it's just as practical. You can ride through city streets, stop for a rest, or even turn a quiet corner into your personal hangout spot. With the growing popularity of minimalism and tiny living, this tricycle camper fits perfectly into a lifestyle that values simplicity, mobility, and creativity. So, if you've been looking for a travel solution that's affordable, sustainable, stylish, and just plain fun, the mini RV camper Tricycle is worth considering. It proves that adventure doesn't have to come with heavy responsibilities or massive vehicles. Sometimes, the best journeys are powered by something small, smart, and full of heart. That wraps up today's feature on Auto Buzz TV. If you enjoyed discovering the world of the mini RV camper Tricycle, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content about unique vehicles and innovative travel ideas. Until next time, keep buzzing, keep exploring, and remember, big adventures often come in small packages. Thanks for watching Auto Buzz TV.